Hey guys, this is Mark and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your pre-filter and how to do the e-cleaning of your Kangen. So the first step would be, of course, switch off your Kangen machine if it's turned on. And you will have to you're gonna have to remove this as well. So you will drain the water. You're gonna have to open this one by one. So of course we have to clean the casing and this one. Okay, so now that we have already changed the pre-filtered cartridges, we are now ready to do our e-cleaning. I'm going to show you how to do it. So first thing is to make sure that your machine is turned off. Okay, so next is you get your cleaning powder unit, you get your cleaning powder, and you have to pour the powder inside the cleaning powder unit. So after that, you have to cover the CPU, and then you will remove the high grade filter by opening the cover, this cover, okay, and then here is the high grade filter. So you have to remove this ring and then remove the high grade filter. Sometimes the O-rings won't come along with the high grade filter. We have to remove it because the cleaning powder unit has its own set of O-rings. So you have to remove this. So here, you have to remove the O-ring from this. So after removing the O-ring, you have to set aside the high grade filter and then put the CPU here. And then have to put it back just to lock it firmly and to twist it counterclockwise to lock it. Okay. So after this, the next step would be to run the water and collect around 1 liter . So after collecting it, turn off the faucet, and then we will get the gray hose and would dip it here. So what we are doing essentially is we are closing the system. Okay. So we're going to leave that for 4 hours. Now we have completed the recommended hours for this step, so are now ready to drain it. And then we'll again allow water to pass through the system for several minutes just to make sure that everything is washed off, the residues and all. These are the residues that the citric acid would remove from your system. So it's really, really important that you perform the e-cleaning on a regular basis. So after achieving clear water, you can now turn off the faucet. You can now remove the CPU. Okay. Make sure the O-rings will come along with the CPU. After that, we're going to put back the high-grade filter. And then this. Okay. Then have to put back the cover.